Welcome to Journey with Us TV. I am here by myself in the kitchen. Well, actually, I have a little guest. Assie's here. She's doing online schooling, and so we gotta be a little bit quiet for her because she has 2 tests today, right? So while she does her test, I'm gonna be cooking up some pork ribs. So they are pork back ribs. I made this once, and it came out awesome, so I want to try it again. I seen a recipe online, and I'm gonna try and do it today. So I'm gonna try to follow the recipe as best as I could. I don't have all the ingredients, I have my own, and I kind of like using my own. I use whatever I have in my cupboards and my fridge. So let's start. I want to show you guys some of the ingredients that I'm gonna use, so that way you can go out and get these ingredients yourself. So of course I'm gonna use the soy sauce. Any soy sauce will work. Then you got some seasoning salt. It's an all-purpose seasoning salt, so you can use it for your dry rub. It's really good. Then I got some oyster sauce. I'm gonna put a touch of this in there. Gives it more flavor. Then I've got the gourmet ribbon chicken Diana sauce, barbecue sauce. I also have some sesame oil. I think it gives more flavor. And flavor is what you're going for, right? You just want to get the most flavor out of this, but you still want to be able to taste the meat. So I'm going to be doing a type of pineapple ribs. So I bought this pineapple sauce, so I'm going to smother it over it. And this is going to help to infuse into the meat and give it a little bit of a sweetening type of flavor. Okay. I also have my Scotch bonnet pepper, some onion, garlic, and yeah, let's begin. So I just finished washing these ribs. As you can see, they're clean, and you have to make sure that when you're finished washing your meat, you're cleaning out your sink with a lot of soap. Scrub it, because someone else is going to reuse that sink. You don't want any meat, any contaminants there, because trust me, with what's going on right now, please take precaution in your kitchen. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is, there's this membrane. This membrane has to come off. So that way, when you do put your rub or your seasonings, the inside of the meat will get that flavor. This is no good. You want to take it off. I'll show you how to take it off. Alright guys, so first things first, we want to take off this membrane on our rib. You see it now? That. So the way we do it is, you find something sharp. A flathead screwdriver will work too, but for this I'm going to be using a skewer. So what we do is, hopefully you can see that. You go right in the middle of that membrane, poke it right through, right? Now you can just tear it off. And it should come off easily, just like that. See? That's that membrane you don't want. So the main purpose for this is just to get that flavor into your meat. With that membrane, it's like a protectant. It protects anything from penetrating you through. So by taking it off, you can put your dry rub and your marinade, and it'll soak up into the meat, which is a good thing. This is what you want. You do the same thing with this one. Alright guys, so I just cleaned up my station, and now I put my ribs in this aluminum tray, right? And now we're gonna start to do the dry rub and the marinade. So let's begin with that. Okay, so let's start with our onions. We're gonna peel it. You wanna cut it into small pieces. Now we're gonna do the garlic. Okay guys, so I just chopped up all that onion, garlic, hot peppers. I'm gonna smother it all over this ribs and put my marinade together. Then we're just gonna let that sit inside the fridge for a bit. And tomorrow we're gonna throw it on the grill along with some chicken. Mom's at work right now, but tomorrow she'll be here. You'll see her. Ashley, you almost finished your test?
Yep.
Okay. So guys, let's begin to put the dry rub in the marinade, and after that, tomorrow we're gonna hit the grill. So we really have to get that in there. We're rubbing it in to make sure that this meat is fully massaged in the seasoning. And on the other side too. This is the seasoning salt. Okay. By the way, I know I just touched all of these bottles, or this one, of which I'll be touching other bottles, but I'm gonna definitely wash them off. Okay. And now, onion powder. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna use some cayenne pepper. I like my heat, as everybody knows. I tend to use this a lot in my my recipes. You'll see it in my videos. If you're new to our channel, please know that we love spicy food. So a lot of cayenne pepper. The steak seasoning gives it a good flavor. Okay. Of course, I'm gonna put my garlic and herb seasoning. Oh yeah. Turmeric. Want to give it some color and flavor. Some turmeric. Just a little. That's good. And now we're gonna use some basil. Basil's good. Oh yeah. We love to season our foods with a lot of seasoning. And the salt I'm gonna put on the other side only, just because it's gonna give it that crust on top that you want. So we'll use that later. So now we'll just rub this in. Cannot wait to barbecue this. It's gonna be awesome. So now we'll flip it and we'll do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Okay, that what I call seasoned. That's flavor right there. That is flavor. So now we're gonna do our wet ingredients. So let's shove all of this to the side. I'm gonna wash all that stuff later. First off, hit some soy sauce on that. Pour a little bit of soy sauce on that. Soy sauce never hurts. Oh yeah. Put some oyster sauce. Some flavor. Oh yeah. Probably like a teaspoon of that. Or, sorry, a tablespoon, I mean. And now we want to put some sesame sauce. Sesame oil, I mean. It just gives it really nice flavor. Sprinkle some of that. Okay. And now we put some, my favorite, some honey. Want to squeeze a bunch of that. Some pineapple sauce, because we're aiming for that pineapple spare ribs or back ribs. Put that on there. Oh yeah. So save some for later. I used about three quarters of this bottle on now we're gonna add our Diana sauce for that. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Nice.
And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up.
Hey guys, so I just finished marinating the spare ribs. I put a layer of saran wrap on top and I'm gonna put it in the fridge for tomorrow's barbecue. So I hope you guys enjoyed that part of us marinating the spare ribs just to show you. And I'm telling you, it doesn't take a lot of time, and the flavor that you're gonna get from this is awesome. How's your test?
It was good. Mom's checking it.
Great. So with that said, let's go do some barbecue. Hi guys, welcome back. So we're outside now and we're gonna start to barbecue the chicken and the ribs. Mom's here, Assie's here. Let's get down to business. What do you guys say?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. First things first, I already cleaned my grill. Now I'm gonna put some of this oil.
Yeah, have some oil.
Get a paper towel. So this is what you call seasoning the grill. Take it like that. Dip it into your oil. And you just wipe the rack down so that way your meat doesn't stick. Just like that.
Yeah, guys, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel because we want 5 million subscribers. We really want the play button.
Let's see how Dad wipes it down.
Onion helps to disinfect your grill as well. I did clean it, I brushed it real good.
Yeah.
What I did first was I started up the grill so that it heats up. That way it's easier for me to clean all this mess off. And then I took off these two side burners, and it's just the middle that's going to be cooking my meat. And I put it down to minimum, closed it, let it go up to at least 350, and then start to clean. After that, once it'll hit like 200, 250, then you can start to put your meat.
Hi guys. So, look how juicy this is. So instead of throwing away the marinade sauce, so what we like to do is
Grab some and splatter it all. Grab some and just splatter it all.
Nice. That's it?
Yeah.
Good job.
done.
If you think she's doing a great job, please hit that thumbs up button and please follow this page so we can bring you some more exciting videos. Right, babe?
Yeah,
Yeah.
for summertime.
And get this video 1,000 likes so we can play another video for you guys.
So can you tell our viewers what's the purpose of this?
To make it more juicier and more flavorful.
Come
So
on.
Dad, what are you doing?
So basically what happened was this piece of chicken over here, it was right in the dead center. And as you can see, the flame got to it faster than the rest. So what I did was move this one over to that side where the burner isn't working, and took one from here and put it right in the middle. So now this cooking process is speeding up, but at the same time, it's cooking evenly. Alright guys, so I want you guys to take a look at this. The chicken is cooking nice and slow. I moved everything to the side so that way it cooks the inside instead of burning the skin, which is what you want. And then I put on some of the drumsticks, and the ones that did catch a little bit, meaning got too much flame, I moved it up to the top. So that's going nice and slow, and that's what you're looking for. Alright guys, so this is the finished barbecue chicken. See that? I smothered it with some barbecue sauce and then I closed the lid. Let it cook for like 2-3 minutes, let it infuse a bit. And that's it. Hey guys, so the rain is now starting to fall, so I got to be really fast. Come take a look at this. That is the ribs. I just took it out of the oven and I'm gonna slap it onto the grill. So let's do that real quick, 'cause we got no time right now. And that's some of the chicken. That's the last batch of chicken that I made. So now we're gonna put the ribs onto our grill. So the ribs are basically cooked perfectly inside. So they're just gonna sit on the grill for a bit, probably for like 15-20 minutes, or even a little bit less than that, just to get that smoky taste and some char marks. It's all good eating after that. So let's add the barbecue sauce on it now. How does that look? So we're gonna go with our Diana sauce, gourmet rib and chicken. Tastes so good. Just gonna sprinkle that on there. Then I'm gonna take my brush, just brush that sauce in. That's pretty much it. Now we're ready to serve this and eat it up. Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. We just finished barbecuing. We cleaned outside, cleaned our grill, so everything's good for the next time we barbecue. So right now we have our ribs and we have our chicken. And our ribs.
Looks good, guys. Daddy, can you chop this, please? I'm really hungry.
All right, let's chop up the ribs, guys. I'm gonna poke that in there with my carving knife. A couple cuts. Oh yeah. Let's try a piece of this. Come on up. Come on up, babe. Let's try a piece of this.
All right.
Try a piece of that.
It tastes amazing.
Cheers. So good. Oh, that's some good barbecue, guys. Cooked perfect.
It tastes so good.
So good. Give us a big thumbs up if you like watching us eat. Now, let's try the chicken. Take a drumstick. Oh yeah.
It's good.
Soft and flavorful.
It's soft too.
Well, guys.
I'm already done.
And you know what? You can taste the pineapple off the rib too.
I don't even taste the pineapple.
Hope you guys make this recipe.
If you have a barbecue.
If you have a barbecue, get one and do it, please. Because this tastes
good.
so delicious.
I like that one.
Oh,
It's better.
awesome. Bon appetit. So I hope you guys enjoyed me and Ashley eating this delicious barbecue. Mom is not here right now. She went to run an errand. I think I mentioned that earlier, but if I didn't, now you know. Because we really appreciate every single one of you guys who take the time out of their busy life and schedule to just come be part of our family. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and ring that bell. You enjoying that? She loves the ribs.
Yeah, I love it.
So is Daddy a good chef?
Barbecue chef.
All right. Until we meet again.